Hello friend, in today's session we will learn how we can design and develop a smart table for the blind person. So why it is called a smart table? As you know, it is very difficult for the blind person to read out the printed text. So this table will convert the printed material into image form and then after image form into the sound. Okay, this project is very useful for the blind person because it will read out the all printed material. Okay, so in this project I have used the I have considered the two language, English and Marathi. If you want any other language, please comment me in the comment box. Definitely I will upgrade my project and I will share this program with you with your language. Okay, so before start the next part, I would like to tell you what is the flow of this project and which hardware I use in this project. So you can see on the screen I have used the Raspberry Pi 4B, then camera and one screen. So you can use a laptop, there is no issue. Okay, but camera is very important. I use the Logi USB camera. Okay, then how this project will work? So project will work like this. When I run the project, then this system will ask which language you want to speak. So there is a one option for the English and second option for the Marathi. If we select the English, then we have to place this printed material in front of this camera, and this camera will capture this image, and whatever the text on this printed material it will speak. Okay, so let's see the practical demonstration of this project. Okay, so I will run this project now.
Press 1 for English. मराठी साठी 2 दाबा.
Okay, I will select the English here.
English selected. Camera started. Press C to capture image.
Okay, now camera started. I will place my printed text here. Okay, now once I place, I will. Okay, now I will press the C button here.
Captured. Reading text. Underscore Kiki the cat and her friend Nala the rabbit wanted to go on a picnic. They packed their basket with apples, bananas, and candy. They walked to the park and found a nice spot to sit. Then Kiki remembered that she did not pack a picnic blanket. She got very sad. But Nala said, "A little grass never hurt anybody," and sat down in the grass. Kiki also joined her, and they had a lot of fun. World.
Okay, now just now we have read out the English text. Now we will see the Marathi language. Okay, so I run the project.
Press 1 for English. मराठी साठी 2 दाबा.
So I will select the second.
मराठी भाषा निवडली आहे. कॅमेरा सुरू झाला आहे. फोटो काढण्यासाठी क दाबा.
Okay, I will place the printed format here. Okay, so once I press, I will press the C.
फोटो काढला गेला. मजकूर वाचत आहे. 3 शाळा. माझ्या शाळेचे नाव गुरुकुल असे आहे. माझ्या शाळेची इमारत प्रशस्त, हवेशीर आणि स्वच्छ आहे. माझ्या शाळेसभोवती फुलांची झाडे लावली आहेत. माझी शाळा आमच्या शहरात शाळा म्हणून ओळखली जाते. माझ्या शाळेत 10 वर्ग, क्रीडांगण, वाचनालय, प्रयोगशाळा, मोठे सभागृह, संगणक इत्यादी सुविधा आहेत.
Okay, so once you read out the text, you can once you read out this printed material, you can swap the another page also and press the C. So you can read out as many as printed text. You can read out 2 languages from this project. Okay, so if you like this project, please click on like button. Please subscribe my channel. Please support me and comment me for your language. I will definitely update this project. And this is the first part of this project. I will upload the second part. In that part we will see how to develop and design this project by yourself. Okay, so please subscribe my channel. Definitely I will upload that video. Okay.